How does it get from a team reaching the 2014 final to almost making their exit now? And by the way, 2002 was the last time Argentina exited at the group stage. So they made the final 4 years ago, O'Neill. Things have disintegrated fast and furious. But were the signs ominous, O'Neill? They were very, very shaky in South American qualifying. In fact, they qualified on the very last day of qualifying when they beat Ecuador, it was. How have things disintegrated to this level for Argentina? Messi again pulled off another huge disappearing act.
Well, I think, firstly, though, I've made a call to the Art Foundations. The 2 arteries blocked, so still up and running. But the signs were there from the qualifiers, and we have seen it. And we just expected that some player coming in would have made the changes. But thus far, he has changed them into becoming bad to worse, because today, 3 at the back, it was horrendous. The defending was poor, atrocious. The goalkeeper also in Caballero. That's a schoolboy mistake. So, all in all, I think that they got what they deserved, and I am the staunchest Argentinian fan, but I can't defend that what I saw in 90-plus minutes.
What about the impact or the non-impact of Lionel Messi, O'Neill? Because a huge amount of Argentina's success was depending on his level of effectiveness, his mobility. But as I said, he was almost non-existent.
Just didn't look motivated at all, and again, he did not have that kind of inspiration for the rest of the team. He was on the right-hand side and basically out of the game for like here. Didn't really look influential and wasn't himself at all. I do not know that. I don't know what's it. In fact, a number of players on the team just didn't look like they wanted to be there. Don't know if something is wrong within the camp, but again, it's another one gone down in terms of saying that he has not lived up to the billing and just didn't perform on the day.
Eric, before this game, the Argentines were searching for consistency, they were searching for cohesiveness, they were searching for chemistry. They had conceded 12 goals in their last 6 matches. And as I pointed out at the top of the program, this coach, he was in charge for 12 games prior to today's match. This was his 13th just completed. And in those 12 games, he did not start the same 11 for consecutive matches. So they had a whole heap of problems coming into this tournament here.
Yeah, we were talking about it before the match today. If you have a team and you have a group of about 20 players, and every match you have a new player, new 11 on the field, and they play with a different system, different game plan, it's difficult for the players to really know what's going to happen when you're on the field. And even up until the tournament, they change. When you look at the first game, second game, they still change. And you need some consistency.